I'm Cheryl Smith. I'm the Medical and Wellness Tourism Manager for the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority. The LVCVA is the destination marketing organization for Las Vegas, and we focus on branding and marketing the destination and promoting the destination for the purpose of bringing more people to Las Vegas for business and leisure travel. For the past 25 years, I've worked in various aspects of the healthcare industry, and up until about 2.5 years ago, I began working at the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority. So my background spans both the medical as well as now the travel industries. Medical and wellness tourism is the process of people traveling from their home destination to another destination for a medical surgical procedure or a preventative health and wellness treatment or service. Las Vegas is ideally positioned for medical and wellness travel for a lot of different reasons, including some centers of excellence on the medical side of the equation, but also in our hospitality industry with world-famous spas and hotels, as well as our outdoor natural spaces, which allow a wellness traveler to really focus on a total mind, body, and spirit or soul experience. Las Vegas Heals has been a fabulous community partner with the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority because it really gives us an opportunity to reach into another industry. While LVCVA are travel and tourism professionals, when we're developing medical and wellness tourism, we really needed an association in the community that could reach out into the medical world here and be a partner with us in developing this type of strategy.